Now what we have learnt is that the logical statements are classified into 4 various types, and we should have a good understanding of this concept, and this concept should get solidified in your mind. Then only you will be able to solve problems of drawing inferences based on the statements. So we are giving you a classroom exercise in table 2. Please solve this classroom exercise patiently, sitting without jumping. Just draw the answers for these problems one by one, and which will give you a full understanding of how to classify the logical statements. Once we complete this exercise, we will be able to build on this basic foundation. I hope all of you will do this exercise. Now, I believe that you have done this exercise seriously. Now let us go into the answers. All smokers are short-lived. It is universal and positive, therefore A-type statement. No politician is honest. It is again universal but with a negative, therefore it is a universal negative and E-type. Some dogs are brown. It represents a particular portion of the universe, therefore particular, there is no negative, it is an affirmative, therefore I-type statement. Some professors are not hardworking. Again, this is a particular statement because it does not represent the entire universe of professors, only some professors. When it is using a negative word, not hardworking, therefore O-type. No bird is a mammal. It is universal and negative, therefore it is E-type. Some industrial workers are not paid well. Some industrial workers, it does not represent the universe, and therefore it is particular, and not paid well, there is a negative word, therefore it is O-type statement. All novels are books. It represents the entire gamut of novels, entire class of novels, therefore it is universal, no negative, universal affirmative, and therefore A-type. Some beautiful girls are foolish. It represents not all the beautiful girls, only some beautiful girls, and therefore it is a particular statement, and there is no negative, and therefore it is I-type statement. No man is smart. It is E-type statement because again universal and negative. Some small families are educated. Again it is particular, not universal, and no negative, therefore I-type statement. All parrots are birds. It talks about the entire class of parrots, and therefore it is universal, no negative, affirmative, therefore all parrots are birds is A-type statement. Some horses are not fast. It is talking about some horses, not the entire universe of horses, and there is a negative word not. Therefore it is particular and negative, and therefore it is O-type statement. Some peacocks are white. Again it is not talking about all peacocks, a portion of the peacocks, some peacocks, and there is nothing negative, therefore it is I-type statement. All dogs have tails. It talks about all dogs, and there is nothing negative, universal affirmative, therefore A-type statement. No man is a robot. It talks about the entire universe of a man, and there is nothing negative, and it is a negative statement because it starts with no, and therefore it is universal negative and E-type statement. Now you must have fully understood how to classify a logical statement. I would like to repeat, there are only 4 types of logical statements, and you should be able to instantaneously tell what type of logical statement it is by merely looking at it. That kind of expertise you should develop, based on which we will develop the further analysis as to how to draw conclusions from these logical statements.